Introducing Vision Turf and Pavers, the premier provider of pet-friendly artificial turf in Southern California. Say goodbye to muddy paw prints and unsightly patches on your lawn. Our specialized pet turf creates a clean, safe, and comfortable space for your furry friends. Engineered with microban antimicrobial technology, our pet turf ensures a hygienic environment for your pets. It's soft to the touch, providing a comfortable surface for them to walk and play on. Our pet turf is durable, resistant to wear and tear, and designed with excellent drainage capabilities. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse with water to remove any mess or waste. Enjoy a lush and vibrant lawn without harmful chemicals. Our pet turf eliminates the need for pesticides and fertilizers, providing a safe environment for your pets. Transform your outdoor space into a pet-friendly paradise. Contact Vision Turf and Pavers today and give your furry friends a clean, comfortable, and visually appealing yard. Vision Turf and Pavers, where innovation meets craftsmanship and your outdoor dreams become a reality.